Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Geo Audible coupon code. First, open the My Geo application on your smartphone. Navigate to the Engage section or look for a prominent banner promoting the Audible offer. Your Geo number must be active and registered within the app to see this personalized promotion. Tapping on the offer banner will lead you to the next crucial step in redeeming your subscription. After tapping the banner, the My Geo app will verify your eligibility for the Audible promotion. You will then see an option to claim or get code. Click this to reveal your exclusive alphanumeric coupon code. It is essential to copy this code carefully to your clipboard, as you will need it for the next step. Ensure you save it somewhere safe, like a note, if you prefer not to use the clipboard directly. Now, open your web browser and go to the specific Audible India redemption page. This is where you will apply your unique Geo code. Carefully paste the coupon code you copied earlier into the provided blank field. If you are a new user, you will need to create an Audible account. Otherwise, simply sign in with your existing Amazon or Audible credentials. This ensures your free trial is linked correctly. Before finalizing, thoroughly review the subscription details to confirm that your Geo coupon has successfully applied and shows the correct free trial period. Complete any final registration steps required by Audible, such as adding a payment method for future renewals, which you can cancel anytime. You can now dive into Audible's extensive library of thousands of audiobooks and podcasts. Enjoy your new listening experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.